Hi, in this video we are going to see a bumper opportunity and a very good news to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admissions, guys. Why? Because here I am going to show you the PhD admission notifications from the two different colleges. One is a government college and second one is a private university. And here in the private university, almost all the different subjects are covered from the all over the India. The different branches are there, and from both the two colleges you are going to get the wonderful stipend as well as the fellowship programs are also there, and you can get this fellowship amount with only post graduation without having the UGC NET or the GATE qualifications or the CSIR NET qualifications. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admissions. I think it will be the wonderful video to them. And to get the more videos or the notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. Coming to the present content of the video, as I told that the two different colleges notifications I am going to show you. So out of the two, the first one that we will see the government college, guys. And here the PhD admission notifications are there only for the two subjects. One is the computer science as well as the electronics and communication, and it is from the International Institute of Information Technology, that is IIIT Hyderabad. And you may check down the important dates. Application portal opened on 30th October and the application portal closes on 27th November, and the online examination is on the 2nd December 2021. And while coming to the eligibility for the application, so completed the BTech as well as the MTech in the computer science, electronics and communication, electrical engineering, or else the MC or MS in the computers and electronics. And coming to the admission procedure here, whoever the applicants are there, those applicants will be shortlisted based upon the graduate aptitude test, which is going to be conducted online. And the more details about the online, including a mock test, will be there, will be provided subsequently to the shortlisted candidates, and then one interview also will be there. So how to apply means, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So simply click on this one and then you will be directed to the online application form here. And coming to the application fee is 2000 rupees, which is a non-refundable, and the important dates, a few important dates are provided here. So portal open date as well as the closing date, and the mock online examination and the original online examination, and the announcement of the shortlisted candidates for the interview and the interviews for the shortlisted candidates, and the announcement and the last date of seat acceptance and the date of online reporting. So all these things are provided here. You may check down, guys. And if you are having any queries regarding this one, here the mail ID is also provided, so you can reach them by putting a mail to this provided mail ID. For example, if you belong to any one of these departments, then click on any one of these things and then you will be directed to the individual department of this college. So you may check down what are the different research areas are there in this one, and along this research areas, the financial support also you may check down. Whoever the candidate selected for the full-time PhD, those candidates will be provided with a fellowship amount of 20,000 to 35,000 rupees per month, so which will be nearly equal to the UGC NET JRF qualified candidates. And the students are also going to get the travel support to present their publication research work in the repeated conferences as well as the journals, and all students can also gain experience in teaching via the teaching assistantship positions also you may get. And apart from this one, few special fellowship programs are also there. So if whoever the interested candidates are there, you may check out this, and you will get nearly up to 50,000 rupees per month as a fellowship through this special fellowships. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you please check down whatever the different fellowship programs are there. And next, while coming to the second university, whatever the private university I told, that is the MET University. So from this one you can get, see guys, almost the different subjects are covered from the all over the India, guys. So first I will show you whatever the different programs are offered from this MET University. So really it is a mind-blowing opportunity, guys. You may check down the Noida, Lucknow campus, Jaipur campus, okay, and Gurugram and Gwalior campus, Mumbai campus, Raipur, Kolkata, Patna and Mohali. Fine. So the north side, North India side, the maximum areas are covered. And coming to the areas, research areas, agriculture sciences and applied arts, fine arts, performing arts and visual arts. So in this one, the fashion design and the fine arts, okay, and architecture, planning and design, and arts, humanities and social sciences and journalism or mass communication or media. So PhD in economics, English and governance or public policy and law, history and international relations, mass communications and political science, psychology, social work and sociology. Coming to the bioscience and technology, so genomics and medical microbiology and molecular medicine, nanomedicine, okay, anthropology and bioinformatics, cellular and molecular oncology and immunology, microbial technology, stem cell science. And while coming to the education, physical education and the normal education is there. Coming to the engineering and technology, space science and technology, aerospace engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical, electronics and communication engineering, and information technology, mechanical and automation, and nuclear science and technology, renewable and alternate energy, solar energy. And in health and allied sciences, occupational therapy and hospital administration, natural product chemistry, pharmaceutical sciences, physiology, and public health. And in the hospitality and tourism, travel and tourism is there, law is also there, management studies is also there. So in that one, the commerce and competitive intelligence, finance, management. And coming to the natural resource and environmental sciences, the climate change, environmental science, geoinformatics and wildlife science is also there. And rehabilitation sciences is also there. Coming to the science and technology, biosensors, chemistry, defense and strategic studies, food and nutrition, forensic science, material and devices, mathematics, molecular science and engineering, nanoscience and technology, physics, polymer science, statistics, okay. And coming to the arts, humanities and social sciences, English, mass communication, psychology, fashion design, fine. So you may check down guys, huge number of departments are there. So it's your patience guys. So please check down very carefully. Almost, I mean, it looks like almost the maximum research areas are covered. And here the campus wise also the different research areas are also mentioned here. Okay. And apart from this one, you may check down what are the different fellowship programs are also there in this university guys. Okay, eligibility criteria means the post graduation in the particular discipline with 55% of marks, and there might be some 5% of relaxation might be there, but anyhow you please check down guys. And the few candidates are exempted from the PhD entrance test or the written test who are qualified for the NET of UGC, CSIR, ICAR, all these things. Okay, if you don't have any of these qualifications with only post graduation also, you can clear the examination, okay, and as well as the interview. So once if you selected for the full-time PhD, then there is the opportunity of getting the ASTIF fellowship. Okay, so if you want to get the details regarding this fellowship, then you may click on this link. I will provide this website link also in the description box of this video. So coming to the eligibility for the fellowship for PhD, the candidate must have the first class academic record throughout up to master's degree from a recognized university or the college. Okay. So total these are the two different colleges guys which announces the PhD admission notifications. One is from the IIIT Hyderabad, second one is from the MIT University. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admissions. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video guys, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merge cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course guys for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UG Senate examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.